Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to earn money online. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today, I figured out a new way to earn money online, and I want to share that method with y'all. Now I know a lot of people are on lockdown right now, you know, with all of the crazy stuff going on in the world, and we have a lot of time on our hands now. You can choose to use that time productively, you know, or destructively. Now today we're gonna give y'all something productive to do, and this is a legit website which you can go on and earn money by completing simple tasks like even watching videos, you know. So I want to share this method with y'all just so, you know, anybody out there, like, you know, you could be bored at the house, or, you know, you can be tired of going on Instagram and Facebook all day, you know, and you may have, you know, an iPhone, an iPad, and connectivity to the internet, you know. So I just want to share this information with y'all so y'all can make better use of the time we got on our hand right now. So first thing first, you will need a PayPal account, you know, in order to, you know, receive the money from this website. So make sure you have a PayPal account. Before you go any further in this video, just make sure you go ahead and sign up for a PayPal account, and you'll be able to receive money from this website. Now, the website I'm referring to, which you can go on and you can do tasks and watch videos, download apps, do different surveys. This website has been around for the past 5 years, and a lot of people know about this website. A lot of people have earned money on this website. I'm not saying that, you know, you about to get rich, but you can earn up to $30 per hour. I just went on here, you know, and I tried it out, and I already made points in less than 3 minutes. And I'm about to tell you the best way you can earn points, show you like how many points it takes for you to accumulate money and how to cash out that money, and just go over all of the steps with y'all. So stick around and watch the entire video because it's a lot of valuable information in this video. Now, the website I'm referring to throughout this video, you know, it'll be a link in the description if you want to sign up right now, but the website is called Earnibly. Now, Earnibly has been around for the past 5 years. Like I said, multiple people have earned money from Earnibly and cashed it out, and there's multiple different videos showing you payment proof. Now, what Earnibly does is you can complete different surveys. You earn points. Basically, you earn points from completing surveys, watching videos, downloading apps, or also tracking Earnibly, you know, on different social media accounts and receiving promo codes from them. It's all about engagement. It's all about ad revenue. And, you know, once you engage with these sites, you know, you're giving them information. They're getting paid for that. You're watching videos, and by you watching the ads, you are generating money for that creator. So you receive points back, and it's all, you know, a system which they've created for you to do tasks and earn points, and you can get money. So we're gonna go over some of the main tasks you can use to earn money. Now, the first thing you will be presented with when you go to earnibly.com is the offer wall. So you can go on the offer wall, you know, and you can look at the top, you know, 4, and you could really check out any one of these, and you know, whichever one you want to use. You could be creative if you don't want to use Peanut Labs. We're gonna use Peanut Labs, and I'm gonna just show you what I'm talking about now. Once it loads, you know, you can you have a variety of different surveys you can use. Now, some of these require purchase, some of these require donation, you know, but you can filter it by the ones that don't cost anything. And, you know, it's some of them are just trials where you sign up that you can go through, and then you don't have to, you know, stay for the whole entire trial to get your points. You know, you just have to make that initial sign up, and you can cancel the trial afterwards, and you can still receive your points. So, you know, a lot of these are very simple and very easy to do. Now, one of the easiest things on here to earn money from is the video category, and this what made me want to, you know, use Earnibly and gain my points and get on here more was this section. Now on Earnibly, it's a video section, right? And when you go on the video Earnibly section, you want to click Hideout TV. You can go to Video Fox if you want to, but Hideout TV is the top site. And this site also is good if you are a YouTube creator. I just learned about this site, but you can upload videos through here, through their network, and they're partnered with sites like Earnibly and different sites where you get paid to do tasks, and they get paid, they pay you advertising revenue, and they also, you can drive more traffic to your YouTube account and just your videos in general. So shout out to Hideout TV. I will be taking advantage of this. So from here, when you want to watch videos, you can come on here and watch videos. And basically how this works is you just have to watch 3 ads, 3 ads. And that's how it works. The video plays, and as you watch the ads, you get 0.7. For every ad you watch is 0.7. And I'll show you how that works. Now for Hideout TV, you will have to come on here and you will have to create an account. And once you create an account, you can track your rewards. You see, basically you come to Hideout TV, and once everything loads, now you cannot have ad blocker on. If you have ad blocker, if you run ad blocker on your computer, if you even know what that is, you cannot have ad blocker on and make money from Earnibly. So that, I just want to throw that out there. But you see, the advertisement plays, right? That's one advertisement. And it's a little laggy, but right down here, oh, okay, it just popped on. Lady Lunch Brownies, shout out to Lady Lunch Brownies, man, that junk look good. All right, mute that, and then you would come down here to rewards, right? And you can see, look, I just signed up for this today, and I say 3 minutes, you know what I'm saying? 3 minutes, I already made 12 points. So that's why I'm saying, like, you can make about $30 an hour. So what happens, once you get these points, a code will pop up right here. Once you redeem your points, once you accumulate your points, you could go down here to rewards, and then a code will pop up, and then you go to redeem. Well, you would first add the code, then it'll say redeem right here, right? And once you connect your accounts, you see my Earnibly account is linked right here. I could just start the redeem process, and those credits will go into my Earnibly account, which I can take and redeem. Now, let me show you right here. Now you can redeem, it's a bunch of different gift cards you can get. You can get PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, PlayStation, Google Play, Xbox, whatever one you want. A Target gift card, GameStop, Hulu. If you want something to eat at Burger King, you can get any type of gift card you want, but we want to focus on the money. So PayPal is, the one we're working for. That's the one we work for. So you see, it only takes 125 points to gain $1. And you see, like, in 3 minutes, I already made 12 points. So it's very easy. All you have to do, really, you can just have this up, because the thing about the video section on Earnibly, right, is this is a 24/7, the 24-hour playlist, basically. Let me show you. This is you watch videos and you can earn unlimited points, but this is basically this is 24/7. So they have a network of videos they can select from and that'll play. So when you select different categories like food or music or viral, it'll play continuously, and this one, you see, this one runs for one whole day. So yeah, they got different categories on here. And let's go back to the points. So here you would redeem the points, and you would need a Hideout account. That's the thing. Once you come on here and you earning points, and you choose the channel, any channel, once the new window pops up, right, you will need to create an account on here so you can link your Earnibly account. Now, another way you can earn money with Earnibly, extra money, is by promotion codes. Now, you know how to find the promotion codes is by following them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and through their email newsletters. They'll send you out different promotion codes. So you can see right here, if we go on Twitter, it's April 25th, but April 18th, they posted a promo code, you know, to earn an extra 2% bonus for the next 12 hours. So, you know, that's something to look out for. But yeah, it's a lot of different ways you can make money on here. You can do daily surveys, and y'all see, you know, your surveys. I'll talk about this in Max Bounty. You can actually promote your surveys. So, you know, when you complete surveys on here, somebody is receiving a commission on the other end. So they generate you points for completing these submissions or these surveys. So you see all of the different surveys, opinion surveys, poll fish, innovate, survey time. So you can go on here and you can do surveys. Your surveys is probably the easiest one to do. You can see there is just a delayed crediting right now. So, but you will get credit. You will get credited for all the work you do on here. And once you build up your points, like I said, you can make about $30 an hour doing this. Once you build up your points, you come here to the PayPal section, and you know, you can redeem your points. And you can also set it to auto redeem. So as you gain points, once you reach the threshold, you know, it'll automatically, you know, process your payment. It'll automatically start processing your payment. So it says your account will usually be eligible for instant payments after your first payment. So the first payment might take up to 3 days, but after that, you can get instant PayPal payments. So this is something to do in your spare time. I hope y'all take this information and do something with it. Something you can, I just want to put out there, you can use up to 2 devices to run tasks on your account using Earnibly. I recommend, you know, not using more than 2 devices, because based on my research, people can get banned when they try to game this system because they really are paying out. So, you know, with this information, just use it responsibly. Do what y'all want with it. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.